You know how every time we get a new tool, it's all about making the job easier and more accurate? Well, today we've got some such tools that not only do that, but also help you save some good cash. And the precision? Let's see how they really are. We know how much you have to pay when you hire a team to clean your pool. That's why we have kept this new Ryobi pool vacuum for you. From now on, you no longer have to deal with messy hoses or complicated setups. This lightweight cordless vacuum makes cleaning a breeze, whether it's your pool, hot tub, or spa. It's powerful enough to tackle sand, dirt, and leaves with an impressive 13 gallons per minute of suction, and its removable floor head is perfect for reaching into corners. With a 1.7-liter tank and a dual filtration system, you'll clean more in less time. Plus, it's rated water-resistant up to 13 feet, so deep cleaning is no problem. Use it handheld for quick touch-ups, or attach it to a standard pool pole for a full clean. And when you're done, just hang it on your Ryobi link wall rail. Simple, efficient, and hassle-free, pool cleaning has never been this easy. Thinking about trimming your yard next week? Well, if you're planning to hire a pro, you might want to set aside anywhere from $40 to $100. But here's the good news. You can skip that cost with the Greenworks GD60LT, a lightweight yet impressively powerful grass trimmer that's perfect for medium to large lawns. And it's designed to save you both time and money. Powered by an advanced 60-volt battery, it delivers the high performance and long run times you'd expect from a petrol tool, but without the ongoing fuel costs, emissions, noise, or maintenance hassles. It features a generous 40-centimeter cutting width and a durable dual nylon trim line of 2.4 millimeters, making it easy to cover more ground quickly and efficiently. Thanks to its professional-grade brushless motor, you get more torque, quieter operation, and a longer tool life, all of which add up to long-term savings. Weighing just 3.85 kilograms, it's about 25% lighter than similar gas-powered models, which means it's easier to handle and less tiring to use. With a maximum speed of 6,000 RPM, it's not just a powerful tool, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to cut costs without compromising on quality. A cordless screwdriver one-time investment that pays for itself with every screw you tighten. So, meet the Go Gen 3 screwdriver from Bosch. This is your go-to tool for making everyday fixes and DIY projects faster, easier, and a lot more efficient. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or doing delicate electronics work, this screwdriver is designed to handle it all with precision and ease. Thanks to the universal bit locker, you won't have to worry about dropped bits anymore. It securely holds any 1/4-inch hex screwdriver bit in place for a smooth and frustration-free experience. Plus, the integrated LED ring not only lights up those dark, hard-to-reach corners, but also serves as a battery status indicator, so you're always in control. This handy tool comes with the advanced mechanical clutch, which gives you 7 torque settings so that you can adjust the power exactly as needed. With its compact design and thoughtful features, the Bosch Go Gen 3 is a practical and versatile addition to any toolbox, and obviously a wise buy for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. In the USA, a basic car interior cleaning can cost anywhere from $50 to $150 each time. But if you're looking to save money in the long run, the STIHL SEA 20 cordless hand vacuum is a smart choice. This compact and powerful tool makes it easy to keep your car, home, or even your workspace clean without the need for professional help. Thanks to its strong suction, lightweight design, and a variety of useful attachments, you can easily reach into tight spots and clean with precision. It's also comfortable to use, with a soft grip and a lock mode that lets you vacuum without holding down the button the entire time. Best of all, it runs on a rechargeable battery from the STIHL SEA system, which works with other STIHL tools, so you're not spending extra on separate batteries. By skipping costly detailing services or professional cleaners and tackling everyday messes yourself, this compact vacuum quickly pays for itself, making it a smart investment for any practical homeowner or car owner. Now, we have the coolest and most efficient money saver on our list, the Fantic X9 Pro tire inflator. This is the kind of tool you'll be glad to have on hand, whether you're at home or stuck on the roadside. It's it's not just fast. It can inflate a compact car tire from 30 to 35 psi in just 1 minute. This tool also reaches up to 150 psi to handle everything from car and motorcycle tires to bike tires, balls, and more. The most convenient part of the tool is its upgraded display, which is larger and easy to read even in bright sunlight. And it comes with an enhanced cooling system that lets it run continuously for up to 23 minutes without overheating. Thanks to its 4+N intelligent modes and auto stop feature, it automatically shuts off once your preset pressure is reached, so there's no need to keep checking. Plus, the best thing about this tool is you can use it very easily. Just pull out the yellow hose end to activate and push it back in to turn it off. To make things even better, it shuts down automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity. With built-in storage for accessories and an all-in-one compact design, the X9 Pro is a smart, reliable, and hassle-free solution for everyday inflation needs. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.